Three, two, one, travel. Hello, amigos. Ceci here from the 321 of Melbourne, Florida. Today, I want to talk to you about some items that you could have the day of travel. I'm talking about when you have to go to the airport, that first day of your trip, and also the last day of your trip. I have a couple of items that are, to me, the number one. I cannot live without them. And I will explain what is what. So the first item is this, my amazing pouch. This is a pouch that I have been provided to all the clients. We do have another videos with it. So we give this pouch to our clients because I believe it's the best thing in the world. It has a lot of features. I'm not gonna go to all the features because we already have a video about that. But the important part is this. It has a very great capacity. It has a specific areas for passport, pens, Velcro to put business cards or ID. If you travel domestic and you have to be putting in and out your ID, you can also have it down here in these little pouches with Velcro. And passport fits perfect here. In the back, it has a zipper where you can easily put your phone, even if it's like mine, that is a big cross size max or whatever it's calling in your phone. So it is a big capacity. This is a very great pouch because it also has an extra security where you can lock this anti-theft, if we're gonna call it. So you can really be protected by wearing them. You can wear it as a crossbody, or you can just attach this, put it inside your jackets or so. Sometimes I tie it like this, and it's just go like this if I wanted to ride bikes or something like that. So this pouch, find one if you don't have one that is like it, but all your essentials should be here. Your passport, your wallet, your phone, extra batteries, hand sanitizer, sunglasses. That's usually all the staples that I have in this pouch when I travel. Another essential for me is the day use backpack. This day use backpack that I found, it's amazing. So this is all what we're gonna take for our group to Italy coming up very soon, girls only. So what I wanted to show you about this, it doesn't have it's not too thin that it could hurt you in your shoulders. It's very comfortable. I have used them already for a couple of my trips. And the good idea about this is that it has two pouches, which I usually put sunglasses case and water in the other one. But you can use it for whatever you want. But a day use backpack is amazing. When you are traveling, especially places like Europe, like when we go to Italy, this type of day use backpack serves the purpose because you do need layers, and you are gonna be taking or on and off your scarf if you're hot, or any base layers that you might have. You can put them on and off and always carry it. If you have just this little pouch, maybe a lot of things will not fit, but there you go. You can put your pouch in there, you can use it in front, you can use it in the back, but the day use backpack in your suitcase is super essential. I normally, I don't wear it the day of travel precisely because it's too small. I like to travel with a bigger backpack because that's what I take with me, computer or so. Although I use it, it fits computers, it fits iPads, and your extra layers, scarf, I usually would put here, even my pillow, my little pillow to the plane and things like that. I like to have my own, not just like the ones that the plane give you. But these are two essentials that I'm very, very happy to tell you that we can provide it for our travelers, but the sizes and everything works perfect for the day of travel. You don't want to be one of those passengers at the airport that whenever the security or immigration or customs or TSA or the airline are asking for something and everybody's like looking everywhere. They can't find where they put their license because it's in and out documentation. You keep it in one place, stress-free day of travel. And that's all for today. I hope you find useful this video, and at the same time please subscribe because that's how it helps my channel and be known to other travelers to call our company. Thank you very much, amigos, and have a great day.